Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing a Clearstream 2 Max TV antenna. Now this antenna supposedly has a 60-mile range, and this one is multi-directional. It's a indoor and outdoor antenna, so you can use it both inside and outside. And it has a 20-inch mast with pivoting base, and it comes with all-weather mounting hardware. Okay, and it is also I believe 4K ready. Okay, now let me open it up here and let you guys take a look at it. You get out of here. Alright. There we go. Get a good shot of this front of the case here. Here it is. And you see it says on the box 60 miles, extreme range, full 1080, 4K, Ultra HD ready, multi-directional. Okay. Alright. Let's see if there's anything else on the box here. Nothing really. It just tells you about the technology, and you can use it inside, put it on your roof, on your deck, in your attic, wherever you would like to mount it. Okay. Let's break the seal on this here. Alright, guys. Here's your instruction paper. Shows you the parts, the antenna, the whole setup here. Alright. Here's the antenna itself. As you can see, this is why it's multi-directional. This is the back of it. These are also antenna. When you set it up, you push these out and they just hold back like this. And here's your coaxial cable connector right here. And here's all your mounting hardware here. Oh. So you get a whole bag of mounting hardware. So everything is included, guys. The only thing that's not included is like a antenna pole or something. You'd have to get that yourself. But everything else, to like just mount it in your attic or roof or whatever, you got the mounting hardware for that. And here's some more mounting brackets. So pretty much all the mounting hardware is included, guys. And here's the mounting pole for the outside. And you're mounting it outside the house, on your roof, side of the building, wherever you're mounting it. They give you one of these for that. There's not one. They don't give you one for inside, but this one is for outside. Show you. This one right here is for inside. You put that where your cable is here, run your cable through it. There's a hole on the inside. We run the cable through, and then it goes right in here like that. Okay. Then you can just run the line right there. Run the line on these groups back here. And then you can sit it down. Let me get this out the way. You can sit it down just like that. And then you have the antennas. They lock into place right here, these plastic grooves. And then there you have that. Now I'm going to hook it up to the TV and see how many channels it can pick up, okay? Alright guys, I have the antenna hooked up to the TV, and I have a app that I use here. You guys can see this here. It's called Antenna Point right here, and I use this to triangulate where I am so I can get the towers that are near my area, and it picks up the towers and it'll tell you where each tower is. There's one 10.6 miles, 20.6. So most of these towers are like from 10 to 37 miles away from me. So that just tells me how close they are and where to position my antenna. Just depends on where I am, where I can aim the antenna to get a good signal. Okay. Now, I connected it to the TV and it pops up with a channel, but I have not done my scan yet. I have to do my scan. So I'm going to go to the menu here. Here, channel. Now search for the channels here, and it'll go through and scan for channels. Okay, now it's going to scan through the channels. I don't know how many channels it's going to pick up, but as soon as it's done doing its scan, I'll come back and let you guys see how many channels it was able to get in my area, because I'm freaking pretty close to these towers. So if it doesn't get a lot of channels, then I'm going to be saying that it was not up to the specs that they told me. So we're going to let it go through the scan here, guys, and I'll come back and tell you how many. Well, right now, let me try to zoom in a little bit. It's already picked up 18 channels. So I'll be back when it's done, guys. Alright guys, it's finished scanning all the channels, and I was surprised that it picked up 62 channels. 35 of them were digital channels. So I was really surprised on that. Now let's see here if any of them come through. There's still a little signal problem, it seems like, but it picks the channels up, but it seems like some of them are coming in kind of staticky, or but yeah, I'm really surprised it even picked up that many channels. But going through them here, some of them are coming in perfectly fine, and some of them have a little bit of static glitch or whatever they call that. But yeah, and I am pretty surprised. I'm surprised by the thing, and I don't have it in a very great location. I just set it on top of my entertainment unit here. I didn't even aim it for like a really nice signal spot, but it's doing just fine. I think that's the omnidirectional antenna kicking in there. So you don't have to aim it just right. It picks up it, the signal for you because it's omnidirectional. But I am amazed right now. Like, I did not think it would pick up that many channels, but it did. It did. We went all the way into the 60s. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me try to zoom in a little bit. See if you guys can see that when I hit the search. That is 62.1 right there. It picked up 60 something digital channels. I'm amazed with that. I was like, it's pretty, comes in pretty clear. So I was definitely amazed with that. I don't know if I've been through all the channels yet, but I'm just waiting for you guys to see. Yeah, I think I went through all of them. I'm back to channel 10 now. But that's it, guys. It did a pretty good job in my opinion. So I would suggest this, like, and I'm not even having it in a good location. It's inside. It's not set up, in a good area. So this antenna is it's pretty good. It's pretty good, yeah. Like I wasn't expecting that much from it. So you guys want a antenna to start out with and you don't know which one to get, I would recommend this one. Okay? And as always, guys, I thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.